You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, more black magic vocabulary, I'm just kidding, more confusing words, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. It's simply pronounced in English voodoo. Voo, yeah, just like the spelling suggests. Voodoo. The stress is on the first syllable. It's easy once you know. Voodoo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.